Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy, and behind the camera is my son Michael. And as you can see me, I'm just seasoning these. These are just wings. No little drums or nothing, wings. And I just season them with olive oil, salt, and garlic. I season them like whatever taste that I have. You know, I put a little bit of olive oil, as you can see in the bottom, top, some 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just like rolling them here and in the bottom. You can see, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's 36 wings, and we're gonna make them with, these are gonna be sweet chili sauce wings. So what you do is, you get yourself a tray like this, a baking pan. You put your wings, spread them in. Take like a rag like this or some paper towels and dry the wings. You gotta dry them, take whatever water has out. You don't wanna have any water in there, because they'll cook better like this, more crispy and faster. The water kind of like slows it down, the cooking, and it dries out the meat. So that's why you take a thing before you put them in the tray, or while you put them in the tray, then you can like just dab it and take all the water out. Okay, so that's what we have. We have olive oil, salt, and garlic to my own taste. So I'm saying like half a tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt, and like 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you take your hands, you mix it, wash your hands good. It's going in the oven, and when they come out of the oven, then we're gonna put the sweet chili sauce on them. They're gonna be terrific. So I say we're gonna put them in for 40 minutes, Michael. Okay?
All right.
It's on 355, but it's 400 timer. 400. Oh no, sorry. That's on 400 that I was talking about. God, I don't know why I do this. Wait. Clear. Timer. 3. Clear. Wait. Okay. Clear off.
You gotta press timer.
Okay. Timer.
Do it again.
Okay. Timer.
4000.
000. Oh, because that's right. Let's clearly not forget, guys. I've been doing a lot of videos this morning, guys, so, you know, it's not that I'm forgetting or anything, but I have a lot of stuff going on. Timer for, oh, crap.
No, you gotta clear it, Bob. There you go.
There you go.
That timer. The 4000.
4000
timer
and
again.
timer.
Boom.
And there you go. Go ahead and subscribe and press the notification button, and don't go away. These are going to be delicious wings. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So here we are back with the wings and the sweet chili sauce wings. We're going to take them out. It was 40 minutes, but they were not cooked entirely yet. So what I did was I put another 30 minutes, and we still have, no, I put another 40 minutes. So it's 1 hour and 20 minutes. So if you can see here, come here, Michael. What's 40 minutes and 40 minutes? 120?
40 minutes plus 40 minutes.
40 minutes is 1 hour.
It's 80 minutes.
80 minutes is
and that's
1 hour
and 20 minutes.
So it's still 9 minutes and 24 seconds. I'm going to pull them out. These are going to be the sweet chili sauce wings. There you go. You know, you don't want to cook them, overcook them, because if you overcook them, they're going to be too dry. So I'm going to set them there so they can cool off, and when they cool off, we're going to come back and we're going to put the chili sauce, we're going to put them all on a plate and then mix them with the chili sauce in a bowl and then put them on a plate and serve it to everybody. So we'll be right back. Don't go away. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back. The wings are done. Michael, take a thing of it. I let them cool off. This is only one right now. So, okay. There we go. We're going to put them like that. There you go, look how pretty they are, huh? Nice and crispy. They even smell amazing, right, Mike? And these are only wings. This is not no legs, no drums. Hold on a second. Okay, there you go. Wow, I'm gonna eat this one while I talk to you guys. Oh my God, look. You can see the smoke coming out?
Oh yeah.
I like to suck the bone. It's a Spanish thing. So this is how good they are. So keep on watching us here on YouTube, on Pinterest, on TikTok, and on Instagram. And if you would like to donate $1, guys, go ahead and scroll down, click on patreon.com, and go ahead and donate that $1. We always use the money to make more videos and buy more food, so we can making these from my house to yours. Wow, it is Memorial Day in here. I am in Central Texas, Austin, Texas. I was looking at the temperature right now. It feels like it's 107 outside. It's so hazy that the sun is, we haven't had sunlight for 3-4 days, and this is the most sun that we had, and it looks like it's in between the clouds. It looks like rain, but it's not raining, just hazy from the, it's so hot and so like dry and humid at the same time. Okay, so let's put our sweet chili sauce. Enough of me talking about us here and how hot it is, right, Michael? And all that, and that's it. And there's sweet chili sauce. Okay, beautiful, right?
Oh yeah.
Why is that not enough? Because I still have, that's from this that I still have some minutes left. Come on, Michael. So here we go on the first batch. Look how pretty, Michael. That looks
Beautiful.
They are, right?
Oh yeah.
And here are your sweet chili sauce wings, guys. They are delicious. I have one like that. I'm gonna have one with the chili sauce. Michael, you wanna like film me eating this? Oh my god. Oh my god. These are delicious. So go ahead and make your video. Watch us. Subscribe to the channel if you're a new person coming in, and press the notification button. So with that, I'm going to let everybody go. Again, I'm going to tell everybody happy Memorial Day to all of you guys. Always remember, guys, don't drink and drive. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.